Hello and welcome to the How to Earn $1,000 a Month by Swing Trading Crypto series. In this video, we're going to talk about Zilliqa or ZIL. So before we do, go ahead and smash the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. When you subscribe to the channel, you get updated or you get notified when new material is posted. Uh, so also remember, anything I say is not financial advice. You need to do your own research, and I'm just simply sharing my experience and my path with you. Also, never invest in crypto or any other investment, anything that you can stand to lose or stuck holding for a long term, because the crypto market is and will remain volatile. With that said, one more thing, please be aware of spam in the comments. You know, there's two types that I see all the time in my videos. For whatever reason, they're not affiliated with my channel. But the first one, someone's going to claim they need assistance finding their crypto or moving their crypto to a channel, and they're going to disclose their seed, their security seed. The funny thing is, most of them are the same. There might be two different seeds, but still they're telling you that. But in reality, never leave your security seed with anybody unless you want to give them access to your crypto wallet, as they will, because that's just for you. So we know that's a scam, so they're probably trying to get you to log in somewhere with malicious software or something and such. The other one is a conversation held by someone with multiple accounts saying that, hey, I know someone who helped me make a lot of money trading crypto, and it helped you. Yeah, it helped me too. Great. Isn't he awesome? He has a such and such page. So whether it's going to be going to WhatsApp or Telegram or some similar platform, so that's the conversation. So please stay away from those. A reminder, they are not affiliated with the channel. They are just a spam, and they're here to more than likely try to scam you. So enter at your own risk, or my advice, don't bother at all. All right, so let's talk more about this video that we're going to go into, Zilliqa or ZIL. First thing we're going to do, we're going to explain what Zilliqa is and what it does. And then we're going to show you those quick 3 equations to find out how much you need to invest in order to make $1,000 $1,000 a month trading Zilliqa. And we're going to use last 90 days of price action in Zilliqa, so you can see exactly what that amount is and see how it moved. And we'll pick out the best 3 trading opportunities during that 90-day time span. All right. And so after that, after we go over those equations live and actually doing the numbers, we're going to go and look at Zilliqa, how it performed throughout the crypto winter. So we're going to pick between June 2022 to October 31st, 2023. Now, some might argue about the dates, but that's what we're going to look at, that 15-month span. Not all crypto winter, but like I said, that's debatable, but we're going to look at 15 months and see how it did. And having this background, just knowing that knowledge of how it moved, the more knowledge you know about a crypto, the better you are decision making of investing. Even though sometimes it can do a quick 360 on you in the middle of the night, but at the same time, you won't see return rates on most other investments if everything goes your way. All right, so let's go ahead and look at Zilliqa and say, what is Zilliqa and what does it do? So Zilliqa, or ZIL, is a token developed in the year 2017. Zilliqa is mainly based on the concept of sharding and primarily aims at improving the scalability of the cryptocurrency network as it in case of Bitcoin or Ethereum. The white paper mentions that the transaction speed should be approximately 1,000 times more than that of Ethereum network. Zilliqa is fast, secure, and decentralized. Zilliqa's high throughput means that you can focus on developing your ideas without worrying about network congestion, high transaction fees, or security, which are the key issues with legacy blockchain platforms. All right. So next, let's look at our rate or our equation. So first thing we need to do is find the percentage rate. And to do that, we would take the sell price and subtract it by the buy price. So you should sell high and buy low. So you take H minus L, that'll give you your difference. And then next, you divide the difference by the monthly high price, or which is the sell price. So difference divided by sell price will equal the rate, and the rate will be more likely be in a decimal. And in this video, we're going to write it as a percentage so that you can kind of measure it with other investments and see where it stands at through each of these trades. All right, the last step is how much would I need to invest to make $1,000 monthly? So you take 1,000 and divide it by the rate that we just found. So 1,000 divided by rate equals investment. So basically what this says is like, I need to invest this much to earn this much at this rate. And this rate's going to change for all three of the scenarios that we see you. Like I said, it's going to be the live price, the real live prices during the time. So the rate will change based on those opportunities. Now, just know that these numbers are directly proportionate to each other. So if you double this, if you want to make $2,000, you have to double your investment. And same thing, if you half this, you only have to invest half. All right, so let's look at the price action over the last 90 days for Zilliqa. And here, let's say the first opportunity came on April 7th, where we bought at 0.009, so just slightly under a penny. And we sold at 0.12, or 1.2 cents, just over a penny. And so that's a matter of 12 days. So you take the sell price, which is 0.012, and subtract it by the buy price, and you'll get 0.003. This is the difference. So you take the difference and divide it by the sell price, and you'll get 0.25 or 25% term return rate. So then once you got the return rate of 0.25, you take 1,000 and divide it by 0.25, and you get $4,000. So for this particular trade here, for 12 days, you would need to invest $4,000 in order to get $1,000 for this particular trade. All right, so let's look at our next trade. So on the 20th, the very next day, it dipped down. You say, hey, I'm buying at 0.011. So here, we held until May 12th and sold at 1.5 cents, or 0.015. So you take your sell price and subtract it by your buy price, and then you'll get 0.004. Then you take that 0.004 and divide it by 0.015, and you'll get 0.267 or 26.7%, slightly better return rate. Then you take your 1,000 and divide it by that return rate, or that rate, 0.267, and you'll get $3,745. So you would only need to invest $3,745 on this trade because you got a better rate. And of course, if you wanted to say, hey, I only have $2,000 to invest, let's break out the old calculator here, and we'll do this reverse. Since we're going backwards, we'll take 2,000 and multiply it by the rate, and this will tell us how much you'll get if you want to invest $2,000. So 0.267, and you would get $5,034, which is not bad at all. Looking at 26.7% return. Let's look at our last opportunity here, and we have a buy price at 0.0108, slightly over a penny, and we sold at 0.0125 or 1.25 pennies 6 days later. So we take our sell price and subtract it by our buy price, and give us 0.0017. Take that difference and divide it by our sell price, 0.0125 again, and we'll get 13.136 or 13.6%. So that's a little lower, and with that percentage, if you take 1,000 and multiply or divide it by 0.136, you'll need $7,353 in order to get 1,000. So you see what these gaps are, the difference between these lows and highs. The bigger the difference, the bigger the space. Up and down, that is. Sideways is just time, but the bigger up and down, the higher the rate is going to be. And the higher rate, the less you have to invest to reach your goal. Right? So just keep that in mind. So $7,353, huge investment for Zilliqa to swing trade, but like I said, you got your money back in 6 days. All right? And there were some more smaller opportunities, just around 10%, maybe between 10 and 15 here, maybe 10 here, and 5, 6, 7 over here. But when it comes to crypto, a lot of times people don't do that, don't go for those numbers because you can get those anywhere else, but not that fast. So, like I said, as long as you're not investing in which you can't stand to lose, you'll be fine. All right, so let's go and look at our historical price, or our price through the crypto winter for Zilliqa. And like I said, we started with June 1st to June 1st, 2022 to October 31st, 2023, and a start price of a nickel, or 0.0504. And then it ended right now currently October 31st, it ended at just under 2 cents at 0.019. All right. Then the lowest it hit was 0.0159, and that was on December 31st, 2022. And the high price was early June 2nd, before it started this kind of steady decline. bounce down, I should say. So June 2nd, 2022, where it hit a little over a nickel at 0.518. All right, and that was Zilliqa's price action. So if you like this, if you found this information useful or like the video, please smash the like button. Make sure to leave a comment, and once again, make sure if you're not already subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Now, if you're interested in Zilliqa, already owned Zilliqa, traded it before, or interested in learning more, go ahead and put a hashtag ZIL in the comments. And said, thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one.